Guys, we're trying Coke and Mentos today. Let's see if we could make this Coke can explode. This makes your breath clean. Let's put it in. Oh, it's erupting. It's erupting. It's erupting. All right, see you later. This will take a while, okay? We got more Mentos. Let's see. All right, got a Mento. Let's see if it will explode. Oh, there it is. It's about to erupt. Let's keep putting more. One, two. Oh my God, it's erupting. It's erupting. It's close, it's close. All right, I couldn't find any more Mentos. Total, we almost got it. Erupt, but it almost erupted, and at least I got Coke. All right, that was all for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell for more notification, and make sure you like my video. Bye.